Hi, this is Dylan Skinner, and I will be teaching you how to do a Zippo trick called the Married Man. Okay, as of all you guys should know, well, younger people won't know, but this is where you put your ring finger. And I mean, if you don't have a ring, as of what people say, they say they do this, the trick I'm going to show you, but I have no idea what it means. But yeah, you put your fingers like pointer finger and thumb on the top of the lid, and put your fingers out like this, and you flick down. Once it's flicked down, you use your ring finger and light it, and then flick it up. Yeah, so it's kind of hard to do if you haven't seen other videos, but I'm just re-editing it and showing you it. So look. Simple. Alright, thank you. Please like and subscribe.